Super fast video. I'm going to try to make the fastest ever. You're going to try to convert a document, in this case a Google drawing and a Google Doc, into a PDF, and I'll show you how to do that. Why do we do it first? Let's just see an example between the two. Let's go back to an element like this. Now just watch how fast this loads when I open it. It's relatively simple, so it won't take long. It goes like that. So you can imagine if someone is going through a lot of these, that load up time takes a lot. And as we get more and more graphics, that load would take longer and longer. Watch how fast it takes to do the same thing, but as a PDF. So I have a PDF saved for that. Boom, it's there, it's right there. PDF stands for Portable Document Format, and you can use it on any operating system, Samsung phone, iPhones, Mac, Chrome, Windows. It'll always open that document, and it really reduces the file size here. It basically makes an image of the document. So there's some limitations. It's not as editable and things like that, but it is, in terms of sending documents back and forth, it is the way to go, and it's what professionals use. So how do you do it with Google's products? It's super easy, and I'll show you how to do it in this case. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back, and I'm going to actually delete this, so pretend like it didn't exist. I'm going to show you how to make it. I'm going to go to the document that I want, which was this one. And we don't save it as, what we do is we export it as. So it says, or download in this case, download as, and we have all of these different image options. So we're going to download it as a PDF. And everyone's operating system, whether it's Chrome or something else, will be working a little bit differently. Mine brings it down here. I'll go ahead and open it up. It takes a while to convert it to the image. Here's the PDF. Most likely, it has saved or downloaded this PDF into your downloads folder. So Chrome has, your Chromebooks have a little download folder. Most operating system, Macs and the Windows does as well. I want to get this file into my Google folder to do that. So I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to go into my Google folder where I want it, and I'm going to say New, File Upload. Now we got to find it. And like I said, most likely it went into downloads. I've got a lot of stuff here. So I'm going to look for that PDF version. And on mine here it says PDF. It was titled something about principles of elements in design. Here it is, and I've done it before. So this is what I want. Principles of element design. It's going to take a moment to upload that. And there it is. It comes back up there. This is easy to attach an email. You won't run into problems where the file's too big or it takes forever. That's what we're going to practice. You can do the same exact thing, the same exact steps, if you open up a Google Doc. So if I take a look at this one, the functional analysis one, again, it's taking a while to load. See, there's an image here. And if someone's looking at a lot of these, or you got to send a lot of files like this, it's not really the way to go. So what we would do is go into the download as and do the same thing. Do it as a PDF document in that case. Much faster and a much easier thing to send back and forth. All right, guys, go ahead and get to it.